Some mornings you don't need a reason to go. You just need the right boat. This is the Riva 112 Dolcevita, built by Riva in Sarnico, Italy. One of the oldest names in boat building, more than 180 years of knowing what the water asks for. This is their flagship, Flybridge. Designed for days that don't end at the dock. There is enough power under this deck to put open water behind you fast. You are past the inlet and into blue water before most people start their day. The hull holds its line. You set the pace. The coastline does the rest. Sun deck up top, cockpit aft, foredeck forward, swim platform drops at the transom. You are in the water in 3 minutes. 5 decks means you move with the light, not against it. Full beach club at the transom. Tender deploys, toys go in the water, nobody has to wait. 112 feet of length. Enough room for the whole crew without anyone crowding the rail. 430 nautical miles of range at cruise. Run down the coast and not think about the return trip. 20 knot swells, inlet chop, open ocean. The hull handles it. You just drive. You are not looking at this boat on a Saturday morning. You are on it by 8, running south, deciding where to drop anchor. Below, there is space to sleep, space to eat, space to call it home for a week. This is a boat that opens up the water, all of it. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.